this is the room temperature part. I'm going to play my trombone, a concert F.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, here we're coming down to the 5-minute point, and Titus is going to go in. All right, go, buddy. I'm going to bring his trombone out. I'm going to get the tuner up, and let's see if we can go ahead and play. Andy, will you close that door for us? All right, Titus, play that concert F. Good. All right, play it again. All right, look at the timer. Just a few seconds. Let's go get it. Here he goes. Go ahead, buddy. You got it. I'm following you. Getting the tuner up. Go ahead. All right, go ahead. Pull it open. Okay, grab that trombone and bring it out here. Okay, you can leave that in there for now. All right, let's come on out.
It's so freaking cold.
Oh, it's so cold. Okay, it's frosted over a little bit. All right, go ahead, Andy. Close that door. That's a B flat. Go play a G. Lower G. That's it. Take a big breath and play it. Very good. It's going flat. Good.
This is so cold.
Okay, tell us. Okay.
I'm going to get it.
Where has it been?
Outside.
All right, let's go get it and bring it in. All right. All right. Now play that concert F. Interesting. Keep going. Play it one more again.
I'm going to play what it sounds like in the freezer. He's going to play what it sounds like
Outside.
We can conclude that if it's cold, it plays flat. And if it's hot, it plays sharp.